Hi, welcome to the Cade Museum for Creativity plus Invention, located in sunny Gainesville, Florida. We are in the Cade Creativity Lab, one of them, and we have some great activities we want to share with you. The best part about these little activities, they teach a lot, and they're done with things that basically you have around your house or garage. So, without further ado, tune in to the next activity from the Cade Museum Creativity Lab. Today at the Cade Creativity Lab, we are going to show you how to make Washy Washy soap. Very easy. You're only going to need 3 ingredients from your kitchen. Always ask permission before helping yourself to supplies. You're going to need baking soda, distilled vinegar. You can use white or cider, whatever you have at home. You're also going to need dish soap. Any brand will do. I use Dawn in the Labs because it has a surfactant and it removes oil, grease, and grime a little bit easier than most dish soaps. But anything will be fine as long as it's soap. And remember, a zippy sandwich bag or a snack bag. It should be at least a 4x4 or 4x6 if possible for your Washy Washy soap to hold it in. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of dish soap to your bag. I'm going to get another tablespoon. This is also where mixing and doing with a friend might come in handy. Remember, scientists always clean their messes up. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is take a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to add that to your soap in the bag. That wasn't too hard. Zip it tightly, make sure it's tight and sealed. Now, using your hands and your fingers, gently mix your baking soda and your dish soap together. Now you're probably thinking, what's so great about that? Well, just have to wait. Yep, it does look mixed. I'm going to gently slide all the debris down there that I mixed. There it is. And, are you ready? 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now you can use white vinegar at home or you can use cider vinegar, whatever you have. Now look at it. You're going to see bubbles forming and you're producing gas, carbon dioxide actually. If you've ever made a baking soda vinegar volcano, this is pretty much the same thing, except, my friends, you are adding soap to it. You're going to leave it to the side. Now you're saying, hey Patty, how well does that wash my hands? Well, I have an extra one that I made here. I'm going to shake it back up to invigorate it, and there it is. Using a scissor, cut a little bit off the end, and have your friends step up and start to wash your hands. What is it, 20 seconds? Don't forget, that's the dirtiest part of your hand right there. So really wash well, the tops, the fingers, the palms, 20 seconds. Now, turn the taps on, put your hands in the faucets, and rinse away. Your hands will be super duper clean by the power of science. Look at how clean my hands are now. So the vinegar helps cut any dirt, oil, and debris off the hands. Your soap helps make a nice foam, and it also takes away the oil. I'm using a dish soap that has a surfactant in it. The baking soda adds a mild abrasive, and when you're done rinsing your hands, they will feel clean and smooth. And my friends, you have just made Washy Washy soap.